Hi there, James from Active IQ here, just wanting to let you know as an approved training provider or centre that we have the 6th in our series of Ofsted themed live webinars hosted by Ofsted Inspector Richard Moore, happening this Tuesday the 19th of November at 2 PM. So this webinar will focus on how to make sure your safeguarding arrangements are Ofsted ready, a topic that many providers will find essential in shaping their preparations. Now, as always, Richard will share his extensive experience as an Ofsted inspector and explore the key elements of provision that will most likely be under scrutiny, along with the types of questions that both you and your learners may be asked. So, if you're an Active IQ centre who is subject to an Ofsted inspection, then as always, this webinar is definitely for you. And remember, if you're an approved training provider, such as a college that has other departments or teams that you think may benefit from attending this webinar, then please do share it with them. As always, sign up is super simple. Just log into your Active IQ Skills Hub account and click on the funding and policy section. In there, you'll find a register button. Just click on this, fill in your details, and you are good to go, with a webinar link being emailed to you directly. Now, in addition, please feel free to submit any topic relevant questions via the registration form in advance of the webinar, and we'll do our utmost to include these on the day. In the meantime, we look forward to you joining us, and do take care.